what's up? This is Mr. Kelly. To all you YouTubers, this is a couple Zippo tricks. I'm not going to tell you how to do them because I really don't want to go through the process. It's called the pop top. Pop that open. You can do this. And then you could go... I'm going to do it to y'all. So, switch the camera view. Somehow it's not going to do it. Anyway. It's cool, I guess. And then y'all could create your own tricks, I guess. That's the upside down pop top, I guess. Just twirl it around. And please comment, rate, and subscribe to my videos. If you want more, just comment on my videos and tell me what kind of tricks you want me to do, and I'll try to do them. Thanks.